Here we are in a case of engineered lumber, a truss joist. You get an upper flange here, and you have a lower flange here. This is oriented strand board, and you can see right there where it's been pre-punched in a location for pipe, because this being engineered, upper flange, lower flange, your weight is being distributed through this oriented strand board around those pre-punch holes. When you don't go down below and look, or you don't use a 18-inch pilot bit to check where your hole center is going to be, and you cut through a flange, what do you think? Pass or fail? Absolutely fail. And there's no fixing this. The plumbing comes out, all the nails, all the screws either get cut or taken out. This whole truss joist is pulled right out of the side of the house, and another one slid in, and all these holes and everything is repaired. You can never, ever, ever, ever touch any one of these flanges. You can't notch it. You can't drill it. You can't cut it. Don't touch it. You need to talk to somebody. If you do, it's an engineering nightmare, and it's going to hold up a project. It's probably going to cost you money. So that again was a fail.